This gap is intentional and can save a building. How? Let me explain. That's an expansion joint, a planned gap between two sections of a structure. But the question is why? Because building expand and contract with temperature changes, seismic movement and foundation shifts. Without this gap, materials like concrete or steel could crack or even collapse due to internal stress. Expansion joint absorbs that movement. They are filled with flexible materials like rubber and foam to fill the gap. You will find them in bridges, high rises and even airports. So next time if you see a line cutting across your floor or facade, it's not a damage, it's smart design. Have you seen this on a site before but never knew what it was? Let me know in the comments and follow f.y.i for more such breakdown videos.